So we're here at Mills CNC's campus in Leamington Spa, and this is the automation centre. This is where their Synergy products are developed and assembled for their customers. Now, the Synergy solutions can come as either standard products or as bespoke systems like we see here. Now, what's interesting about what we've got here is this is a DN Solutions DNM 6700 vertical machining centre. And what it's got interfaced to it is this 30-station pallet system. Now, the problem the customer was having was efficiency. Now, we all know that a machine like this, a VMC, however sophisticated the machine is, however fast the machine is, you're still going to struggle to keep this spindle running at the optimum amount of time. You're going to experience downtime. And what this customer wanted to do was avoid that or eliminate that. And what was also really fascinating about this story is the customer we're talking about had a really high mix of products, and it wasn't just about one part that was in great volumes. They had a real high mix, high volume component that was running, or high volumes of high mixes of parts, and they needed to keep that spindle running as frequently and as in action as they possibly could. And that's what Mills CNC Automation have come up with here. This cell, now next to this machining center is this 30 pallet system working in conjunction with a 0-point fixturing here. You've got 30 pallets which can be loaded with parts, so this machine can run unmanned overnight, over the weekend, or whatever the demands of the customer. And what happens here is this robot arm here will feed the pallet into the machine. And of course, what happens then is everything is created by Mills CNC Automation. The program inside, everything's beautifully interfaced, all done by themselves. But what it ensures is that the customer can keep that spindle running the optimum amount of time without having to have operators around, and they can be assured that the components that are coming off this machine are of course accurate, and they're done reliably, quickly, and really, really efficiently. And this is just one example of what you can see here at Mills CNC's Automation Centre if you come here to Leamington Spa. This is their Synergy product, and this isn't one of their standard product. This is a bespoke solution put together by their team here at Mills CNC Automation.